Hi everyone, after 2 weeks of creating and 1 week of rating, the third Scratch Game Jam is coming to a close. The theme was Offset Attract, which inspired creators to explore obscene scenes, find connections between them, and incorporate them into game mechanisms. Many interesting games were created during the jam, and I have selected my top 6 favorites to share with you. Their links can be found in the description. Let's get started. Element Tag is a beautifully designed dungeon exploration game in which you control a pair of characters with almost completely opposite characteristics. The fairy demon can run faster and has a ranged attack, which helps you dodge bullets, while the accurate mage moves slower but has a wall-piercing projectile that allows you to attack enemies from a greater distance. Players need to switch control of characters and use their different characteristics to defeat enemies, collect treasure, and ultimately escape the dungeon. The pixel art, characters, and scenes are very cute. At first glance, Magnum Puzzle seems like a push-box game. However, after playing through the first 2 levels, I discovered the game's ingenuity in its use of magnetism. There are a total of 24 levels in the game, and in most of them, you need to carefully switch the polarity of the character to move boxes to the right positions. Additionally, there is a level editor function that allows you to design and share levels with friends. Reverse is an imaginative platformer puzzle game that divides a game world into 2 parts with the platform. You need to flip the platform to help the polygons overcome obstacles and reach the end. The visual style of the game is simple yet refreshing, and the level design is full of creative ideas. Tag Magical Attraction is a retro-style side-scrolling action-adventure game that blends magic and technology. You control Sarah, a cute and charming original character in battles. The game's difficulty is challenging, making it perfect for those who enjoy anime characters and retro side-scrolling adventure games. The art style of Magnet game is impressive, and the characters' design are very cool. In the game, you control a spiked ball, using magnetism to defeat enemies and complete levels. Magna Cart is a pinball game with an eye-catching design. Switching polarity means 2 completely opposite actions for the ball. You can pull it closer or push it away to reach the endpoint. Both Magnet Game and Magna Cart has great potential in their mechanics. Okay, these are my top 6 favorite games from Scratch Game Jam number 3. If you want to participate in Scratch Game Jam, the link is in the video description. Scratch Game Jam number 4 will begin in early May. Join us and let's create together. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.